Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and narrowing variables. Back up important files to an external drive or cloud, then unplug all non-essential peripherals. Once done, force a reboot and enter safe mode or the BIOS to capture any error messages or beep codes. Make sure to record those codes and the last action before the crash. They guide the next steps. This fast triage saves time and prevents accidental data loss, so act now and keep observations precise. You now perform deeper checks, run SFC and DISM to repair system files, then schedule a full disk check. Once those are underway, boot memtest 86 from USB to test RAM integrity and run Crystal Disk Info or the manufacturer utility to inspect drive smart data. At the same time, update GPU, chipset, and storage drivers. If crashes start after an update, roll drivers back. Make sure to consult event viewer entries. Those you finish by applying fixes based on test results. Reset RAM and power connectors, swap in a known good stick or GPU, and check PSU voltages if unstable. If corruption persists despite hardware checks, perform a system restore or a clean OS reinstall after backing up. Once complete, run stress tests to verify stability. If crashes continue, return to component isolation and test with known good parts or contact a repair technician. One key tip: document every change to undo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.